Okay, this is just going to be a really quick video. This is for people who are brand new, starting out. If you've been using Inkscape for a bit, this will probably be no benefit to you. But this is a problem I see commonly, people emailing me or messaging me about. You get on the internet and download a file or purchase a file from Etsy or whatever, and the listing says it includes an SVG. You go to your downloads folder, oh no, there's no SVG. What do I do? The seller must not have provided it. That's not the case. What is going on is your computer is not set up to identify SVG files, or it doesn't know what program to open them with. So this is a really simple fix. All you need to do is pick one of the files. We'll say like this one. You right click the file name, click show more options, go to properties. When properties opens up, you can see here it says it opens with Microsoft Edge, and it says it's an HTML, but if you notice here it also says it's a .svg file format. It just doesn't know what to open it with because you've never set your computer up. So all you need to do is click change. That will bring up a list of available programs you could open it with. Select Inkscape, click set as default, then click apply, click OK, and that'll close. And now, as you can see here in my downloads folder, both of these files have now turned into Inkscape SVGs, scalable vector graphics. They're ready to go. Now you can double click on them and they will open up in Inkscape like they should, instead of opening in a Microsoft Edge window and just showing you a picture. So I hope that helps some people out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.